Ji, Assalamu alaikum, nursery class once again. So it's our SST book time, nursery. So kindly open nursery class your SST books. And today is the turn of page number 6. So please open page number 6, nursery class. Very good. So nursery class, today our SST topic is healthy food. So today we will talk about the healthy food. You know, the mama food is the healthy food of the world. And regarding with the mama food, we talk about which is the most important food we should include in our food. The number one choice is milk. Number two choice is water. Nursery class, minimum 8 to 10 glasses should be drink by a person. Okay. Then there is a bread. Bread can be in the shape of a roti or a bread. Okay. Then one egg you should take in the whole day. Then I will not recommend the packet juice, but take the fresh juices. Okay, of anything. Today season is the strawberry. You can take the strawberry milkshake or a strawberry juice. Anything that you like. I take both of them because I love strawberries, nursery. So which is the most important healthy food are milk, which we should include in our daily routine, water, bread, egg, and fresh juices. Now, we talk about the vegetable, which are the most healthy things we should take in our food. Let's talk about the vegetables. Can you see how beautiful and they are looking so fresh? And you know the names of that vegetables? They are most of them are the summer vegetables. Nursery class. See, lady finger. Can you see? Put the finger with your teacher. Put the finger of the lady finger. Oh wow. It comes in summer, nursery class. And what is the color of the lady finger? Green. Yes, this is a lady finger. You know why we call them a lady finger? Because it looked like a finger. Okay. Then put a finger on the second vegetable. It's of a purple color, nursery class. We call it brinjal. What is the name of this purple vegetable? It's called brinjal. Mama cook brinjal, nursery? I love nursery class. Put a finger on the next green vegetable, nursery class. It's cucumber. What is the name of this vegetable? Cucumber. Wow, very good. Put the finger on the next vegetable, nursery class. You can see there are yellow and green. Yes, these are corns. You like corns, nursery class? I also like all sort of a corns. It should be popcorns, it's sweet corns, or it should be barbecue corns, nursery class. I love all the styles and version of the corns. Then put the finger on the next vegetable. It is of a red color. It is tomato. Wow. You like tomato ketchup, nursery? We make different things from the tomato. We use it in cooking. We use it in ketchup. We use in salads. It have lots of varieties, nursery class. Now put the finger on the white vegetable, nursery class. Can you see the white vegetable? And it has green leaves, nursery. Its name is radish. What is the name of this vegetable? Radish. It also comes in nursery class. Now it's available in both in winter and summer, nursery. Now put the finger on the next vegetable. Wow, onion. Onion is also used in many things, nursery class. We use in salad. We use in what you can say cooking. Okay, it is also used in all the cooking. Now put the finger on the next vegetables. Oh my god, it's radish. You know, sorry, it's carrot. Sorry, nursery. What happened with your teacher? It's carrot. You know, the rabbit loved the carrot. And you know the carrot is very important for our eyes. It has vitamin C and D. If we use lot of carrot, it make our eyes stronger. Our eyesight become good day by day. Very good. Now at the end, put the finger on the last vegetable, nursery class. You can see it's like a bottle shaped, nursery class. You can see it's bottle shaped, nursery. It's bottle gourd, nursery class, because its shape is like a bottle. It is also available in the round shaped, nursery, but in our book it is of the bottle shape. That is why we call it a bottle gourd. Wow, love to see all the vegetables together. Now, nursery class, come down. What they are saying to us? Oh my god, they are saying, what are these? Now, you remember the name of these two vegetables, nursery class? Now, let's come with the teacher. What is this, nursery class? It's ladyfinger. Write down the name L A D Y, lady. Now, F I N G E R. It's here, nursery class. And what is the color of the lady finger? Green. It's all of the color is green. So you have to put the green color in the whole lady finger. Okay, nursery class. Now move to the next vegetable. Carrot. What is this? Carrot. And I have told you who love the most. Yes, rabbit. Write the name with your teacher. C A double R O T, carrot. And what is the color of the carrot, nursery class? See, the leaves have green color and the carrot has red color. You will put red color in the carrot. Okay, nursery class, you will not put orangish color. Okay, we are not going to discuss the Chinese carrot. We will color it green. Sorry, red. What happened with the teacher today, nursery class? Now move to the next page, which is page number 7. Okay, nursery class. Now it's done fruits. You know, nursery class, fruit and vegetable both are a very important impact on our lives. Both are very necessary for us. If we miss one of them, we destroy our health. So we should eat all the vegetable and all the fruits of the season. Okay, now put the finger one by one. Wow, what is the piece? This is a piece of a watermelon. Yum, yum, yum. Your teacher loved watermelon, nursery class. See? Do you like watermelon, nursery? Okay, good. So what is this? Pineapple. Oh my god. We use pineapple in salads, in fruit salads, in fruit charts, in cakes. And I think we simply like to eat the pineapple only. Wow. Oh my god. It's papaya. You like papaya, nursery? It's very healthy food, nursery class. Should eat it. I like it very much, nursery. Okay, it's watermelon, then pineapple, then papaya. And what are these, nursery class? Cherries. What are these? Cherries. And yellow color. What is this fruit of yellow color? Most of you like to eat. And Sakina and Ahmad Umar always bring it most in their lunch. This is banana. What is this, nursery class? This is banana. And who is behind the banana, nursery class? Who is trying to hide himself? Look carefully. Orange. It's orange, nursery class. We found it. Oh my god. It's the winter fruit, nursery class. And I enjoy it a lot in the winter, nursery. You know that? Move to the next fruit. Apple. You remember, nursery class? Your teacher always draw apple in the math because your teacher love to draw apple and love to eat apple. Wow. Move to the next fruit, nursery class. It's peach. What is this? Peach. The season of the peach is just coming, nursery class. Wow, it's color of orange and red. The mixture of orange and red. Now move to our last fruit. It's grapes. Oh my god, love it. Now nursery class, what we have to do? Yes, we have to count these fruits and we have to write down under these fruits. Okay, nursery class? Now first turn is pineapples. We have to count how many pineapples are here, nursery class. 1, 2, 3. How many pineapples are here, nursery class? 3. Write down here 3, nursery. Now next fruit is banana. What is this, nursery class? This is a banana. Okay, nursery class, what is this? This is a banana. So we have to count how many bananas are here. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many bananas are here, nursery class? 4. So we have to write down here 4. So move to the next fruit, nursery class. What is this? Wow, this is an orange. What is this? This is an orange. So let's count how many oranges are here. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many oranges are here, nursery class? 4. So write down here under the orange. So nursery class, what is this? Cherries. Oh wow. What is this? These are cherries. So nursery class, we have to count how many cherries are here. 1, 2, 3. How many cherries are here? 3. So write down here 3. Now the next fruit is grapes. We have to count how many bunches of grapes are here. Okay. So here is, what can I see? One bunch. One big bunch of grapes are here. So we will write here 1. Next fruit is watermelon. Yum, yum, yum. So we have to find how many watermelons are here. Only 1. How many watermelon are here? 1. So write down here 1. Next is peach. We have to find how many peach are here, nursery class. Peach is on the first number and only 1 peach. It's okay, no problem. So write down here 1. So in the last, what they are asking from us? They are saying my favorite food. So nursery class, which is your favorite food? Let me think that which is my favorite food. My favorite food is fruits. Okay. My favorite food is and if I have to choose from fruit, that which is my favorite fruit is apple. Okay, fine. My favorite food is apple. A double P L E, apple, and then I will put a full stop. Sorry. Nursery class, you have to write your favorite fruit. Okay, don't copy the teacher food. Okay, tell me your favorite food. So nursery class, if you have done the color in the class, then no need to worry. But if you have not done the color in the class, you have to color in this picture and then you will send to me. Okay, and thank you nursery class for sharing me the beautiful picture of your pet that you have. I really love and appreciate your effort of your mama and yours. Okay, nursery class, what I am going to do, I am not going to sing Allah Hafiz. I have to discuss one more thing, one more general knowledge thing. G nursery class. You know, tomorrow is 23rd March. we celebrate the Qaid-e-Azam Day, 25th December. We make the cards for Qaid-e-Azam and we celebrate the Qaid-e-Azam Day. Yes, today or tomorrow you can say we are going to celebrate 23rd March. Now you will ask from the teacher that what happened on the 23rd March. I'm here just to share the information with you. We say 23rd March, yani it means that we say it's a Pakistan Day, we say it a Republic Day, we say it a Resolution Day. We say three things to the 23rd March. I think it's an important day, nursery. That is why our government decided to say it a Pakistan Day, a Republic Day, and a Resolution Day. I think something happened, something. So today teacher Faiza will tell you that what has happened on the 23rd March nursery class. So listen carefully, okay? Come closer and listen carefully, nursery. Nursery class on 23rd March 1940. Look at my date, nursery class, carefully. It means almost, if we go back 80 years back. If we go back 80 years, it's a story of 80 years back, okay? When the Muslim decided that they have their own country, because we are living in the Hindus. But at some point of time, they decided that the Muslims should have their own country. So they decided on the 23rd March that Muslims should have their own country. And they should select that country where the majority of Muslims are more. Okay, it is very important day just because at that day we decided that the Muslims should have a separate country. And at which place they decided? They did not decide it in the drawing room, in Teacher Faiza home, in Sakina home, in Ahmed Umar home. No. They decided at Manto Park at that time. And what happened with the Manto Park? Did you ever visit Minar-e-Pakistan nursery? Yes, Teacher Faiza show you the Minar-e-Pakistan on the Qaid-e-Azam Day. Yes, they decided on that park. All the Qaid-e-Azam, the Allama Iqbal, the Liaquat Ali Khan, the all come on that park. They sit down on the chairs and they decided that the Muslims should have a separate country. Okay. And the day, what was that day, nursery class? Yet it was 23rd March. Okay. And what was the name of the country? Yes, they decided that there should be a Pakistan for us, in which nursery class is living, in which teacher Faiza is living. Okay, our great leader made Pakistan for us, in which we can promote our Islam, in which we can do the things that we want to do. Okay, they make a free land for us. Okay, nursery class, that is why this day is very, very important for us. And we say this day a Pakistan Day because it was the day of the Pakistan. Like we celebrate the birthdays in the nursery every year. In this way, we celebrate 23rd March, the Pakistan Day. Because we decided at that day that Pakistan should be made for us. Okay, now what you have to do, nursery? You have to make one video. Okay, and you have to make one video in which you read 2 sentences. Okay, you read only 2 simple sentences. Don't make a hard sentences. Make a video in which you read 2 sentences of about 23rd March. Okay, on your word, and you will share the video with me. Okay, nursery class, it's compulsory. It's not optional, nursery class. It's compulsory as you do the homework. Okay? It's same like important that you have to make a short video of only 2 sentences and you have to send me on my personal number. And on the 23rd March nursery class, I will put it on my status and I will put on the Lahore Alliance School Facebook. Okay, so all of us see that how much we know about 23rd March. Okay, nursery class, your effort should be highly appreciated, nursery. Okay, I will also share the video of my son with you. Okay, tomorrow, not today. Okay, tomorrow evening, I will share the video of my son with you. Okay, and you also have to share your video with me. Thank you so very much, nursery class. In this day, you have to take lots of good care of yourself. Keep safe in home. Stay safe in home. Stay blessed, nursery class. And take lots of good care of your mama, your baba, and your grandfathers and mother. Okay, nursery? Until then, Allah Hafiz. Goodbye, nursery. Bye bye.